Well, no crime committed, but the warning signs are there. So should a judge have the authority to take away your right to own or buy a gun? Well, it's a question Washington voters will answer when they vote on Initiative 1491 in November. KXLY4's Erin Luna working for you with how this extreme risk protection order would work. And Erin, a judge would ultimately have to sign that order.
That's right, Nadine. Initiative 1491 would allow families to ask a judge to remove firearms from a person who they believe is a danger to themselves or a danger to others. It would also limit their access to buy firearms for up to a year.
She can talk about it now, but it's an experience few will ever know.
It's a very real moment when you truly think you're going to die.
4 years ago, Stephanie Holton stared down a rifle when her ex-husband forced his way into her home, despite having a protection order against him. She says a proposed extreme risk protection order would help people like her.
I would have been safer. I truly believe that I would have been safer had his firearms had been removed.
That's why she supports Initiative 1491. The extreme risk protection order would allow family members and law enforcement to ask a judge to take away a person's access to guns for a year if they are deemed a threat to others or themselves.
To file something like this, you have to have that evidence in court.
That evidence would be similar to the evidence used for a restraining order. Supporters say oftentimes it's family members who see the warning signs but don't have a way to act. But those opposed say it's unnecessary.
We already have a restraining order. That's a method that can be put into place and requires someone to give up a firearm if they truly are a danger.
Jessica Kennedy's gun store off Hamilton will open August 1st. She says Initiative 1491 erodes the rights of gun owners and opens the door to false claims.
It would be very difficult to get that reversed, and that probably would stay on your record.
She also says it would create an extra burden on law enforcement and the courts. But Holton says it may just keep police from having to save someone like they did for her.
They heard the call, and they saved my life.
Now, under Initiative 1491, a judge, if he issues that temporary restraining order for the person where they can't buy a gun or own a gun for a year, the family can petition the judge to extend that after that year is up. Now, we're here at the Saranac Public Commons, and that's where they're having the kickoff for Initiative 1491. They had to put together more than 330,000 signatures to get this on the ballot. Reporting live in downtown Spokane, I'm Erin Luna, KXLY4 News.